Hi, welcome to the episode 0 of my No Plan B journey. So, andito ako sa era ko na I'm learning from being a thinker to actually be a mover. Yung learning lang from theoretically, gagawin na natin mga totohanan and action-based. So, yung plan ko na gagawin dito sa content na to is I'll go all in 1 year in chasing my dreams. Tingnan lang natin kung ano mangyayari. So, yung dream ko is, gusto ko ma-circle na ma-close yung look around being a teacher. Kasi, it's been a calling for me na sobrang tagal na. But, ang daming delays. So, yun yung yun yung pinaka main goal. And, eventually, kung saan man tayo maparoon, makapag-move abroad and expand my life and experience. Gusto kong makakita ng significant change, drastic change. Kasi I realize na, oo, may mga growth ako, pero hindi ko siya nado-document. Kaya nangyayari, parang feeling ko, wala akong growth. When in fact, meron naman talaga. Like this one, creating content. I've been creating content since 2024. To 2 years na. Though hindi siya consistent, but yung effort ko is something na nagko-compound pa din. And itong No Plan B journey ko, this is gonna be my digital diary of my learnings and exploring kung ano pa yung potential ko. Kasi I know inside myself na meron pa, may ibubuga pa. But yung fear of failure, madalas fear of success, yun yung mga nag-hold back sa akin. And somehow, it really, hindi ko lang kung anong meron sa energy ng 2026 ngayon, but it's giving the confidence na this is really my year. Kasi last year, grabe yung last year ko. Struggle talaga siya. Financially, emotionally, mentally hindi naman kasi I'm really glad that I made friends. I made connections na as an adult, hindi mo maiisip na pwede pa pala. But yun, I'm grateful for those connections kasi it motivated me to pursue my dream, to pursue my dream life. So, what will happen with this content is I'll be uploading weekly every Friday, 5 p.m. Doon ko share yung wins ko, struggles, improvement, and learning ko for the week. This is also gonna be my data para when I look back 1 year, ito na ako. Ito na yung life na ginusto ko. I'll confidently say na ginusto ko to. Yun, I'm excited. But, let me feeling na calm ka lang. Na hindi hype yung energy. Everything's calm because you just know things na it will work out. So, ito din yung isa napansin ko sa sarili ko na sobrang layo ko na from being on a victim mindset, on a negative side. Yung narrative, syempre, may mga limiting pa din. But, madali ko na siya makot up ngayon. I can easily shift my energy towards positivity and hope. Kaya, I'm excited in a calm way for this journey. Hopefully, someone out there na gusto din mag-embark sa journey na to, but hindi alam kung paano sisimulan, this might be something you wanted to uh, check out. Tara, journey tayo. Let's see what life can offer to us pa. And I know life is just waiting for us to move. It's just waiting for us to choose life itself. So yeah, whatever it is, yeah, if you stumble upon this video at nakadating ka sa dulo nito, go subscribe on my channel, follow my TikTok, my Instagram, and you can subscribe din to my Substack where I'll be writing my thoughts. And kasi more on writing talaga ako eh. So yeah, I hope somehow this video will find the right people na makakasama ko sa journey na to. Yun lang.